What is up, everyone? This is Brown Guy Lifestyle and I'm your host Prashant Adhikari. Today I'm in Greenbrook Park for Australia Day, and guess what? This is very special episode. It's not about travel, it's not about anything else. It's about every guy's fantasy, every man's fantasy. It's about the car today, and it's about the Mustang. Though I don't have very huge knowledge about the cars and the Mustang brand especially, so I have my very close friend, my cousin over here, who is browner than caramel and sweet than your choco brownie. Let me welcome Mr. Nishan Ghimire. Hey bro, what's up? How are you going today?
Hey ladies, what's up? What's up? We here today on a special place. I don't even know where it is. It's fucking hot. It's Australia Day and we're surrounded by so many Mustangs that actually it feels like fantasy around here. So
it's like seeing lots of hot goals at a time.
All the bullshit and let's show you some cars. Come around. Come on.
This car is 65
Ford Mustangs 289.
All right, this car is 65 Ford Mustang
289.
289. All right, that's what Nissan says.
A true pony. You know what that is? Pony. So this is 67 Mustang, best of Mustang that ever came out. It's also called Illinois from the movie Illinois, gone in 60 seconds, because they literally stole it in 60 seconds. Who wouldn't steal it? Look at that baby there. The beauty and the beast. Here we have another, I think it's a 69 Mustang convertible, 289 again, beautiful color, purple.
302.
67 Mustang, another one. Taken care of. Check that rim out there. Check that fucking rim out. Check the rim out. There we have a 68 GT, the true fish from back in the days. Never gets old, this one. My favorite over here we have is a 71 Coupe. It's not your regular Mustang. It's slightly wider in body. It's got radial tires. It is true muscle car, true American muscle. Another 67 convertible in black. Here we have a 64 Mustang Ford. I believe this is a 4.6 liter engine. Used to be a rock star back in the days. And my truly favorite, the true devil from 67, the true Ford GT Mustang. If you own one of these, you know what it is. If you don't own one of these, you still know what it is. It's the devil.
And if you don't want to know, you don't need to know.
Exactly, but it's the devil. It's 67 GT. But out of all the cars we just checked out, this one is really special. This is not a Cobra. If you know Mustangs, they sell the Cobra version of Mustang, but this is a Mach 1 Mustang. It's a very limited edition piece. It's got a supercharger built into it from the factory, and I think this is a 67 model too. So lots of 67 models. I think I have reason to believe all this car combined here is over good $5 million.
Listen to that, all the cars combined here is over $5 million.
Because I've been
and
told,
you are checking it out in YouTube for free.
Because I've been told there's no rust in any one of them. They were factory original except for the 65 we saw you, which was converted here in Byron Bay from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. Rest all were factory original. Free.
Alright guys, you just hear how are the cars, what are those cars, and how does it look. So Nissan, we are really coming towards the end of this brown guy lifestyle. What would you say about this car?
I mean, see, Prasant, truly speaking, looking on this side of the bay, there is like fine looking gentlemen dressed up in classic tuxedo and shit like that. But then if you come on to this side, I think this is one of the reasons why I want to travel back on time. And if you come on this side and look at the same new generation of Mustangs, The difference is these are the ladies that is apparently trying to look hot on some kind of fake makeup and fake
Did you
hair.
listen that? They are the ladies who are trying to be hot, apparently by dress up, and those are the gentlemen who are already suited.
Yeah, exactly, on talks, and they've got some class personality to it. I mean,
Whatever it is, either it's like a
just
whatever you say,
evolution.
everything has a brand value when it's like when it gets old.
exactly, but no, it's not.
Do you think this car gonna be here for 2100 as well? Till 2100, do you think this 90s car gonna last?
If looked after well, I mean, they are time machine. Like that car has already survived like 3 decades of time, you know. So look at the difference. Like,
Look at this. So which one would you prefer, guys? Let me know in the comment down there. Would you actually try the classic Mustangs, or would you like to drive the new one? I think for me personally, I like a little bit classic, though I'm a brown guy.
I would choose any one of these cars, even among Ferraris and Lamborghinis, unless they're classic Ferraris.
Listen to that. So I'm not that big fan of these big cars, and I don't have that big informations about these, to be honest. But today actually Nissan helped me actually to know about this car a little bit further detail. I'm getting slightly interested. I hope he'll give me support in coming days as well, getting to know about the cars. And actually thank you very much, Nissan, for coming over here, for coming with me and telling all the Brown Guy Lifestyle family how are the cars. Thank you so much, Nissan.
Pleasure, true pleasure, ladies.
All right, guys, our auntie is here as well today. We all came together and we have really fun memory. I'm not gonna do long about this. It might be 2 to 3 minutes video for these cars.
Yeah, after this
And
we're gonna go do some brown guy stuff.
serious
We're gonna
involved.
buy some curry,
Yeah.
roti, and eat that.